Good morning, everybody. Wherever you are watching me from, God bless you. All my subscribers, those watching my video, my follower, I bring greetings to you, all my people. May God bless you all, and may the good Lord guide and protect every one of you. All the freedom fighters all over the world, those that want the betterness of their fellow citizens all over the land of Africa, God bless you all. Today, I want to talk about what is going on in Nigeria. Some people's majority of us are crying for the divination of Nigeria. The reason is this: the imagination by the Northerners is much. Fulani, who are minority in Nigeria, they are not claiming majority today through the Northern people. Fulani is a minority in the North. But because of their evil agenda, the way they have what? Destroying our economy, they are the one claiming majority today. North is not bigger than the South. Either you quote me wrong or right. The North, the population of Nigeria, the South are the majority leader, not the North. Look at how they get to that state today. They count both animal and everything during the first what? Census. They count both animal and human being. And again, they include people from Niger and call it what? And count it as part of Northerners. Today, the Northern leaders are telling you that they are more in majority, of which every election that have been taking place in North, they use those figures, those ghost people, to what? To ring election, that Northerners are more in population than the South. We all know that the Northerners, if you go to Kano, you see how scanning their house is. If you go to Sokoto, the same thing. Now, for you to understand this, they said they are in majority in Nigeria. You that is in majority in Nigeria, what are you contributing to the economic of Nigeria? The Northerners are parasite to Nigeria government, to Nigeria as a country. The Northerners are problem to Nigeria as a country. Do you know why I say so? Because Northern leaders are the one causing problem in Nigeria by their manner of approach and utterance of words. Today, you see what the Northerners are doing. You see how they are mismanaging the government of Nigeria, our economy. Today, there are a lot of agitation in everywhere that Nigeria should be divided. The South, the governor in the South, the governors, the ministers, the senators, the House of Rep from the South are not see reason for them to be divided. Look at North. 3 local government in North is 1 local government in South. From junction to junction in northern part of Nigeria is a local government. But because of selfishness and greediness and lack of understanding, our South traditional ruler, our South leaders have refused to see this, that this is the method the Northerners are using against them. Not that the Northerners are in majority in Nigeria. The figure they are giving is a ghost figure. The figure they are giving that they are more in majority in Nigeria is a lie. Northerners are North is not bigger than the South. The South is more even in majority. Take a look of Lagos, for instance. Lagos, in a street is bigger than a local government in the North. Go to Benin, a street in Benin is bigger than local government in the north. Go to Port Harcourt, a street in Port Harcourt is bigger than local government in the north. Go to east, a street in the east is bigger than local, especially Anambra and all the rest, is bigger than local government in the north. Yet, the Northerners claim that they are in majority, deceiving the people, deceiving the nation. Because of that, you see them in political offices, they are in everywhere. In our economic, they are in everywhere. And our senators, our House of Rep, our governors in the South are folding their hand. Allow the Northerners to be using that method, oppressing them, telling and proving to them that they have the election. They have the what? The winning in the election, which is a lie. The South are more in majority than the Northerners. Now, you look at what they are doing. They told you that right now, if the South refuse to vote for them, that they will still win the what? The election. Because every election in the North is all about ringing. It's all about adding ghost number. That people that are not existing, animal can vote in the North. Children, 1 year, a 1 year old children can vote in the North. But in South, we maintain the rules of voting, the law, the rules of voting. In North, they doesn't maintain that. 5 years can vote in North. We have saw it in several videos, in several elections in the North. Yeah, they claim that they are in majority, of which they are not in majority. Look at the government parasector. Look at the government institution in Nigeria. The Northerners occupied everywhere. And all those our governors like them Wike, them Obaseki and all the rest are folding hand. Looking, people that are supposed to speak the truth. They are there busy blaming Muna. They cannot blame Sunday Igboho. My people, the only way for us with the South, either you are fighting for Duduwa, you are fighting for Biafra. The truth of the matter, the only solution for us to survive as Southerners in that country is divination. We need to divide Nigeria, my people. Because the Northerners don't want to learn. The Northern leader don't want to learn. Every day they continue provoking people with all manners of words, with all manners of what? Idiotic what? Belief that they are in majority in Nigeria. Northerners have destroyed Nigeria. Look at Nigeria today. Let's forget about Buhari, because Buhari is not the only person that is in government. It is Northerners that is ruling. Fulanis that is in minority in Nigeria, using the Northerners now to claim majority in Nigeria. And our people are folding hands, looking. Look at what they are doing now. Some of them will say they cannot Islamize us. Look at you as a Southerners. When you want to go to Abuja, you put that Hausa cap in your head, of which, as a Southerners, you have your own cap that you're supposed to be introducing. Have you want to see a Northern person wearing Igbo cap, Igbo traditional cap on their head? Have you want to seen it? Most of you will dress now, they'll go and buy that Hausa cap and put it on their head. That to tell you how foolish Northerners is. Southerners is not Northerners. How foolish we are. And we believe we are the most educated people in Nigeria. But those that are not educated are using your head to gain development into their states, into their northern part of Nigeria. But you that say you are educated, your education is foolishness. It's how to cheat on your people, how to oppress your people. That is what you guys know. But the Northerners that are oppressing you people not to develop your state, you are not seeing it. And you are still crying for one Nigeria. We want one Nigeria. We want Nigeria to be one. How can this be one Nigeria when the gold they get is Zamfara? The Northerner told you people, the gold they are discovering in Zamfara is for Zamfara people. But the clue here in South, in the Southeast, in the South belong to Nigeria. And the Northerners, the northern political leaders have oil warehouse in your south. How many of you that have gold land in Zamfara? How many of you? Look at all them wicked. They are busy 2023. They are busy looking for who will be president. As if you people are not seeing what is about to happen to you people. Look at how the Fulani herdsmen are killing people in your zone. Under your watch, the people that elect you to power as a governor in the south. Look at how Fulani people are killing them for no reason. Yet, nobody is talking. You are busy running up and down for 2023 election that will kill your head. My people, we are calling everybody to open their eyes and see that one Nigeria is a big scam. It's a very dangerous way for everybody to go. One Nigeria. You will find a northerners with AK-47. It doesn't important. Boko Haram will be recruited and integrate into the Nigeria army, destroying the security architect of the country. How can you, a Boko Haram that have been committing havoc, abomination, killing people, you not put them in the Nigeria army because you people have evil agenda. Once you people don't know that agenda will never stand, will never come to pass. Fulani will tell you, Mianti Allah. Who is Mianti Allah in Nigeria? Is Mianti Allah part of Nigeria government that Mianti Allah will come out and say they said this? If anybody come out from the south and say something, they will say, why should they say so? Who is Mianti Allah? Who are they? The Mianti Allah that is coming out and said, why should the south put ban on open grace? Who are Mianti Allah? Have you people ask yourself this question one day as a Southerners? You are crying for one Nigeria. Nigeria must be one. Especially those our so-called bishop and pastors. One Nigeria. Nigeria must be one. One Nigeria. Nigeria must be one. How can Nigeria be one when all is not well in Nigeria? How can Nigeria be one when one part of the country is trying to take over every resources of that country? And you want Nigeria to be one. All the institutions, they are in North. NDLEA, North. Every institution, North. Calculate the university in the northern part of Nigeria. If you are in majority, as they claim that they are in majority, is that make them to be having such a lot of university in the northerners? In Edo State, we only have 2. In Port Harcourt, I believe they have 1. They have one university in Port Harcourt, Uniport. All the rest, they only have two universities. Why Northerners are busy establishing institution. Now they are talking about they need to make the North industrialize the northern part of Nigeria, not other part of Nigeria. And Buhari is building railway from Nigeria to Niger. Is Niger a Nigeria country? Nobody is asking all those questions. What is it? Is this a cause, or what do they use to cover you people's eyes? You are not seeing what those people are doing. That pipeline they are laying from Nigeria to Niger, that railway, is for them to succeed all their evil agenda that they have been planning for a while. It is now you see some states, some local government are busy running up and down. We need to form our security to protect our people. When the head is already off. When they have already surrounded you already. My south people, the governors, you people should be warned for the danger ahead if you people refuse to do the right thing and say no to one Nigeria. Say no to one Nigeria, because one Nigeria will not work. This is how it will continue. Building a railway to Niger, building our gas pipeline to Niger. For what? They are deceiving you people. It's for business. It's for economic growth. That is not how to grow economic. by laying the only source of income you have, by laying the pipeline to another country that doesn't belong to you. My people, let us think of this. These northern Nigeria leaders who are in government are parasites. Thank you very much. This is my view. Please share this video.